Having lived here for over 2 years, Cape Town has a special place in our hearts. From the diversity of cultures and landscapes, this place should definitely be put in your bucket list. One of the new natural 7 wonders of the world, Table Mountain. It's no wonder, as you can capture its beauty from each and every part of the city. Not only that, but you can also hike up the mountain. We suggest, if you want to skip that, buy tickets online, and this will allow you to skip the queues as well. Right opposite the Table Mountain is the Lion's Head. This place is a hiker's paradise, filled with obstacles that might seem impossible, but trust me, once you get to the top, it's worth it. Are you feeling wild and brave? Well, Gansbaai is the place to be, with the multiple shark cage diving tours you will find there. This is a thrilling experience you cannot miss out on. Characterized by its beautiful huts and its crazy rushing winds, this is the surfer's paradise. And while you're in the neighborhood, don't forget to check out the Boulders Beach to capture these little cuties. If you're looking to stay away from the hustle and bustle of the city, Milnerton is a place we recommend, as it is more residential. While heading to the most southern part of the country, where the Indian and Atlantic Ocean meet, you might also want to hold on because the winds just serve. And if you're looking for the most fresh catch, Hout Bay is where you'll find a community of fishers. Be captivated by these colorful homes filled with Cape Malayan residents. Bo-kaap is just picturesque. And nearby is the Cape Town CBD, where you will find shops and markets where you can buy beautiful souvenirs for your friends and families back home. While you're still there, check out the Gold Restaurant, where you can experience African cultural foods and dances. One of Africa's most visited cultural and historical hubs, this place is filled with shops, restaurants, and many more. While still in the neighborhood, check out the 2 Oceans Aquarium to experience the Indian and Atlantic Oceans. Take a peek into South Africa's rich history by visiting the Robben Island. Situated in the middle of the ocean, this was a prison for political leaders who fought for South Africa's democracy. For those seeking the lavish, chic lifestyle, Gansbaai is your hotspot. From its white sand beaches to the picturesque mountains and interactive animals, this is just a true jam. Escape the concrete jungle and embrace Cape Town's true beauty. Open every Saturday and Sunday, the Neighbourgood Markets is the definition of good vibes. From food stalls selling all cultural foods to the good vibes, this is your ultimate ideal weekend. While the Western Cape is known for its various winery farms, the Groot Costantia is just one of them. Book your wine tasting and enjoy. And just an hour and a half away from the city, immerse yourself in a completely different atmosphere. Here at the Aquila Game Reserve, you can explore the Big Five and many more. You can either rent a quad bike or go with a private game ranger. while this country has so much more, stick around and watch our South Africa video to explore the many other adventures this country has to offer.